Alright, welcome to day 24 of the challenge. आज का जो ऐप है वो e-commerce ऐप है. It's a fruit selling app, so the UI is very interesting, and I saw some elements that I wanted to replicate. And I also think it went pretty well. So yeah, this is the UI, and this is the output. You can see there are fruits listed. You can click on any fruit, and the details for that fruit will open. Obviously, these buttons don't work, but this time I also managed to add the bottom navigation, so clicking on any button will open the respective window. These windows don't contain anything left for now, but yeah, they can be extended later on. Also, the search functionality, I also managed to make this functional, so now I can type anything, so it won't accept or change any value, but yeah, this can be added. So this is a very basic UI. I think this came out pretty well. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope to see you tomorrow.